BSc Maths Part 2 Chapter 4 Similarity Practice Set 1.2 Question number 11. Okay, this is a figure. In triangle ABC, ray BD bisects angle ABC and ray CE bisects angle ACB. Okay, if AB is congruent to AC, this AB and AC both are congruent to each other, then prove that ED is parallel to BC. Okay, what we have to prove? This ED is parallel to BC. Okay, now solution. What is the solution here? In triangle ABC, ray BD bisects angle ABC. This is given. Okay. So according to angle bisector theorem, what we can write that if ray BD bisects angle ABC, then it divides the opposite side in the ratio of remaining two sides. Okay. Then we can write here AD upon DC is equals to AB upon BC. Give it as equation number 1. And what is the reason here? What is the reason? Angle bisector theorem. Angle bisector theorem. Okay. Now, in triangle ABC, same ray CE bisects angle ACB. Then what we can write that this is a CE and opposite side of this angle is in the ratio of remaining two sides of that triangle. So we can write that AE upon EB is equals to AD upon DC. Okay. Give it as equation number 2. What is the reason? Reason is angle bisector theorem. Okay, and we know that AB is congruent to AC. What we know that? AB is congruent to AC. This is equation number 3. What is the reason? Given here. Okay, this is given in the question. AB is congruent to AC. Then here what we can write that AB and AC are same. So we can write that in equation number 1 AB upon BC is equals to AD upon DC, but AB is equals to AC. So we can write that AC upon BC and give it as equation number 4, AC upon BC. And what is the reason here? According to 1, 2 and 3, we can write equation number 4. If AB upon DC is equals to AC upon BC, then what we can write here? We can write that now in triangle ABC. Okay, in triangle ABC, what we can write that AE upon EB equals to AD upon DC. What is the reason? According to 1, 2, 3 and 4. According to 1 2 3 and 4. Okay, so by converse of BPT, by converse of basic proportionality theorem, what we can write that? We can write that ED is parallel to BC because the ratio of these two sides are equal. So what is the converse of basic proportionality theorem? That if the two sides are in equal proportion, then the line divides these sides is parallel to the third side. This is our basic proportionality theorem of converse. Okay, so we can write here ED is parallel to BC. Okay, hence proved.